Super Duper Kitchen. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a jalfrezi recipe. Today, I'm going to make it with some vegetables, and it is a very popular curry dish that originated in Indian subcontinent, and it is a blend of many vegetables, paneer, and you can also use meat or fish in this jalfrezi recipe. It is according to your choice. It is so simple to make and very healthy also. It goes well with roti or chapati. So these are the ingredients that we need to make this paneer baby corn jalfrezi. So here I have taken 100 grams of paneer and I have cut it into long lengthwise, and I have taken three color capsicum chopped lengthwise, baby corn, and also I have taken tomato puree made from two tomatoes, onions chopped lengthwise, and half a cup of corn. You can also add other vegetables like green peas, beans, or carrot. It's according to your taste. Now take a vessel, add water, and into this add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, also some salt into this. So now first step, we are going to boil this corn and baby corn. So here I'm adding these two vegetables into this. And if you are going to use green peas, you can also add green peas at this stage and you can boil it well. Now this is done. So strain it in a colada and keep it aside. Then take a heavy bottomed vessel or a kadai and then add 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can also use oil in this recipe. There is no problem in that. I prefer to use ghee. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and saute it well until you get a nice aroma. Then ginger garlic paste. Usually my recipes are less spicy and I usually make it to my family taste. If you want, you can also add more spices and ginger garlic paste and lengthwise chopped onion. So here I have used one big onion. If you're going to use very small size onions, then you can go for two. Saute it well until it is translucent, and then we are going to add three colored capsicum. So first I'm throwing in some yellow capsicum or yellow bell pepper, and then green bell pepper, then red bell pepper. But if you do not get this yellow or red bell pepper, you can add 1 cup of green bell pepper or green capsicum. Saute it well. It has to be a bit crunchy. Then add all the spices. So first I have added a garam masala, and then coriander powder, then some cumin powder. So this is a roasted cumin powder made at home. Then some red chili powder for the spiciness. You can add more if you need it more spicy, and then the required amount of salt for this curry. Then turmeric powder. After adding all the spices, mix it well with all the vegetables. At this stage, we'll be adding the boiled corn and baby corn. And if you're using green peas, you can add it along with this corn and baby corn. And before that, we can also add this beans, carrot, if you're going to use that in your recipe. So this is a tomato puree made from two tomatoes, medium tomatoes. Add it into this and mix it well. I'm going to add some water so that the vegetables get blended well with all the spices and all. Also the raw smell of tomato puree will goes off. So cook until the raw smell goes off. So then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce into this, and then chopped paneer. So after adding the paneer, give it a quick mix, and then we are going to keep it in a very low flame, and then we are going to cook it for some 2 minutes so that the paneer will also get blended well with all the spices and the masalas that we have added in the recipe. So cook for 2 more minutes. Now it is ready. Finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Now our paneer by baby corn jalfrezi or veg jalfrezi is ready. You can serve it hot with some hot fulka or roti, chapati. It is a very healthy recipe full of vegetables, and it is also easy to make. So do give it a try and give me your feedback. See you all in another recipe. Until then, it's bye from Nirinshna Shankar Narayanan.